Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
We're looking for Bully's planet, and we heard that it's somewhere across from the Silver River.
Go on. You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop.
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici! Same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good!
It's organic, man.
Tree hug.
Ain't you upright? Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks,
ghost
man.
flames.
Manufacturer, you're alive! Matt, you're here! I can't believe it!
Hay que ir correcto? ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
The court will assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer?
Apa warna favorit versi dia? Suka hijau.
That was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me!
Tag, you're in.
So, ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your...
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way. That Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is
Is it getting dark out?
Now, what was I supposed to do after that?
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I...
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this. Dragons!
And my mama is right here. Mama! Don't worry, mama!
Have fun fishing, Mater.
Lightning McQueen! Good job! Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axelrod.
Peace great.
I gotta go to a doctor. I keep getting these sharp pains in my undercarriage.
Downloading the...
Put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Sheriff, why don't you go get yourself a quart of oil that flows? I'll keep an eye on him.
Son tubos de escape.
Me, young man, you're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh, sure.
Gotta stop at the Trees of Mystery. It'll blow your mind, man. Oh, yeah, we're going to see all the places.
Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Guida,